Some trending and active stocks for Thursday, the 13th of November, 2025, pre-market session. We have MRSN, NVVE, and SOND. MRSN up 201.8%, intraday high in this pre-market session, $2.88 to $29.88. So the company indicated that it has agreed to be acquired by Day One Biopharmaceuticals for up to $285 million in cash. So Day One will pay an initial $25 a share or $190 million to acquire Mesana, and then Mesana shareholders will also receive contingent value rights worth up to an additional $30.25 for a total potential deal consideration of $55.25 a share. So Day One said the acquisition of Mesana bolsters its portfolio with the antibody drug conjugate imilatator gladadotin, which has shown early anti-tumor activity in a phase 1 study in adenoid cystic carcinoma type 1, a cancer with a high unmet need and a lack of therapeutic option, amongst other things. So it's sealed. We may not see anything much going on given this news, even though the extrapolation is saying that it might advance, and it might advance and then contract. Yeah, I think in the interim, yeah, they might such things may happen, but it's already sealed. We haven't seen much more details. So we haven't seen what the cut-off date for participating in this deal. But uh, that's not in terms of participation. I guess maybe the ship may have sailed if you went if you didn't even if you didn't if you weren't a holder of the shares as of yesterday. Maybe you may not be able to participate unless they have something else. They have there's yeah unless there's a later date for all of these. But for now, I guess maybe not. So it's for now not nothing really. There's the odds of it plunging may not really be there as such. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Let's see what we have in terms of what's going on the stock. Okay, people can still trade it. They're trading it anyway. They're trading it anyway. Let's see, aggression not very high, spread not so fantastic, but it is improving. Yeah, aggression is quite high. Yeah, it's high, surely high. You can see the volume. We have only 674,000. Yeah, it's optionable. So I think some things can be done. Yeah, things can be done between going all the way towards the 21st. Some things can be done already. These are no longer things have changed now. Okay, things have changed with all of these options. But by the time the market opens, we'll see people can still do some things with what's going on right now. Okay, so let's see what we have for NWVE, up 204.200, or less, approximately 204%. Intraday high 0.5197. It is should be very, yeah, you can see that very, very, very active, furiously active. You can see 7.732 million shares across the tape. Yeah, it's a penny stock, so this is what you would expect to see. This is what you should expect to see. 4779 there. So the price is up here. Let's see. It's yeah, looks quite liquid. Quite liquid, yes. Participation. What is it like? Okay, what is it like? What's the participation like? It's highly volatile, surely. What's the participation like? We just want to see whether people are finding discovering prices for 8307. We want to see if they are discovering prices. Yeah, they seem to be discovering prices. Yeah. So the market is liquid somewhat to some extent, but aggression is surely very high. 476 47920. Yeah, people are surely discovering prices. Yeah, they are. Yeah. Okay. Penny stock, it will always, this is how it's going to be. Yeah. NVVE. Okay. Let's see what we have. The Argos are saying that this strength will remain in place up till the midday of today, and then after that, contraction will play out. And before it crosses its 40 period moving average, the stock is expected to trade within the space. Okay, let's see what we have in terms of projections. 0.3228, it's a downward projection. Previous upper projections up to 0.5, 0.52, 0.5023. What do we have here? 0.5197. So yeah, let's see what the news is. No fresh news. Okay, let's see. Is NVVE a low float? Let's see. Or is it just a penny stock? Okay, not so float, not so tiny, not tiny, not a low float. Let's see. You never know. Some other float is what? Short of float is 4.27%. Not that high as well, but still something anyway. Okay, we're not dealing with a low float stock. It's just a penny stock. Okay, due to a major battery agreement in Japan, let's see. The agreement involves a significant partnership for battery energy storage systems, which has sparked investor enthusiasm amid the company's focus on vehicle to grid and grid modernization. This development comes ahead of the third quarter earnings report scheduled for later today, potentially boosting confidence in future revenue streams from international expansions. Okay, trading volume spiked significantly, indicating strong market interest and possible momentum carrying into regular hours. Okay. Well, so it may contract when the earnings are disclosed, but it's just a stock to watch to see how it goes. Okay, let's see what we have for SOND, up 39.76%. How volatile is this market? Yeah, it is. Look at that, 59 million. Average volume is around 3 million. So historically volatile. Yeah, optionable as well. Yeah, SOND. Let's see, 0.2336. Yeah, yeah, quite liquid. Yes, it is quite liquid. Yeah, participation very high. Yeah, people are discovering prices. Surely they are. Yeah, they seem to be doing so. SOND. Let's see what we have. Okay. All right. Okay. But anyways, this trend is expected to remain in place at least up till Friday, the close of Friday's trading session, and then after that, the downtrend may resume from there, and the 40-period moving average is expected to serve as a resistance. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 14th. Okay, projections are currently saying 40.39. Yeah, let's see. 40.39. Oh, sorry, 0.4039. Okay, we'll see whether that's a pivotal projection. If it does that, then it might go ahead and test 0.4776, 0.5 as well. Yeah, let's see whether there's any news for SOND. Okay, to wind down U.S. operations, seek liquidation. Okay, so I think strange. They're pumping it up. Will wind down its operations and plans to liquidate its U.S. business, citing severe financial constraints emerging from its integration with Marriott International. Okay, well, it is going to be a stock to watch. People always want to see. People tend to companies in distress can be fodder for some investors. If that is the case, then let's see now. Options, nothing here. Okay, nothing here really. Yeah, but people can still do something out of these. Yeah, yeah. They sell this. They sell these, and then there's still money to be made if it doesn't. If it this is coming up on Friday of next week, Friday. Yeah, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. People can still make something out of what's going on right now, even on either side of the option speed. Okay, so see what you make of these stocks, and let's thank you very much for watching this video.